Hello, good morning, class 7. I welcome you back once again to the chapter of triangles. As you know, we have been doing the chapter of properties of triangles. We have finished the word problems. Today we shall focus on this diagrammatic diagrammatic portion. As you can see here, this particular angle is missing, and the question given to us is find the unknown terms. Unknown terms are how much is this angle 3x and what is this angle x degree. Okay, so first of all, in order to find these two unknown angles, it is very necessary for us to find out this angle. So what I have done in this question, I have named this angle as y. Imaginarily, I am naming this angle as y degree. So now if you can see, if I come back, this y degree and 140 degree, they are lying side by side. They are linear pair. That means there is a protector here. That means if I add these two angles, I will definitely get 180 degree. So that is what I do it out here. I add y plus 140 to get 180. This is angle on a straight line, or it is also called a linear pair. So in that way, I keep this y alone, and plus 140, when it travels to the other side of the equation, it becomes minus 140. So 180 minus 140 is 40 degree. So now I know my y equals to 40 degree. I have got y equals to 40 degree. Now what is my work? See, there is a triangle here, and you know, if I add this angle plus this angle plus this angle, I will get 180 degree, because as per the properties of triangle, if I add all the three sides of the angle of a triangle, I am bound to get 180. So now that is what I have done. This angle is was my y. So y plus 3x plus x, y plus x plus 3x will give me 180 degree, right? So now the value of y, I already know it. The value of y is 40, and there is 1x. This x means it is 1x. So 1x plus 3x is 4x. So now the equation becomes 4x plus 40 equals to 180. Now what happened? This plus 40 travels to the other side, it becomes minus 40. So 180 minus 40 is 140, and this side left is 4x. So now I keep my x alone. 140 was already there. This 4 goes down. So 140 by 4 is 35. That means x equals to 35. I get one more angle. I get this x as 35 degree. So this is 40. This is 35. Now I need to focus on this particular angle. Okay. So here I'll just rub it. Okay. It is becoming a bit shabby here. I rub this portion. Now let us focus on 3x. So I know this is my 40, this is my 35. So I need to find this 3x. So the other angle is 3x. 3x itself means 3x itself means 3 into x. Now I have already found out the value of x to be 35. So 3 into 35 is 105. So that way I have found out 3. Now moving on to this next question, question B. As you can see here also, you have got a triangle. As you can see here there is a triangle here, and there are three unknown terms: z degree, y degree, and x degree. Okay, so we have to find out all these three degrees, but there are certain hints. As you can see, like previous question, here also this z and y, they are linear pair. That means there is a protector here. They are side by side. So if I add these two, I'll get 180. Similarly, x and 120 also, they are side by side. There is a protector here. If I add these two angles also, I'm going to get 180. So let us start first with z plus 140. Okay, so I'll find it with z. So if I add z plus 140, I will get 180 degree, because it is a linear pair. So what I do, I keep my z alone, and 180 was there. When I take this plus that side, it will become minus. So I put minus, and 140 is 140. So that way z equals to 180 minus 140 is 40 degree. So I get my z as 40. So I'll write it here. So slowly I'll write it here, 40 degree. Okay, now focusing on x, the same way I'll find out my x also. So what I do, in order to find out my x, I write x plus 120 equals to 180. The reason is same, it is a linear pair, angle on a straight line. Similarly, x equals to 180. This plus goes that side, it becomes minus 120. So 180 minus 120 is 60. So this x I get, I write it here, x I write it as 60 degree. So this is my 40, this is my 40, this is my 60. I need to find out this one. As per the law of the triangle, angle of the properties of the law of the triangle, what am I supposed to do? If I add the z plus y plus x, that means these three, this z plus y plus x, there is a triangle here. If I add this, I am supposed to get 180 degree. The reason is sum of angle of a triangle, right? Now z, let us substitute the values. The value of z, I have calculated it out here. See, it is 40 plus y also. Let y be y plus, and x I have calculated here as 60 equals to 180 degree. Now 60, this has become slightly, I'll erase it and I'll make it 60 properly. 60. Now 40 plus 60 is 100 plus y equals to 180 degree. So now from here what I do, okay, I'll move on to next page. Okay, my equation is 100 plus y equals to 180 degree. Now simply you keep y alone. 180 was already there. This plus 100, when you travel to the other side, it becomes minus 100. So y equals to 180 minus 100 is 80 degree. So what I get from here is, in this question, y I got it as 80 degree. So this was my 60, this was my 40, and this was my 80. So 60 plus 40 is 100 plus 80 is 180 degree. So with this, please see, one more difficult type of diagram is given in your book. This is a diagram C. Okay, here see, actually there are two triangles. It is divided. This is one triangle and this is the another triangle. So now what has happened? This triangle has got three sides. Out of these, let us focus only on the first triangle, that is AEB. I can read this triangle as triangle AEB or angle ABE, anyhow angle EAB. Okay, I read this triangle as EAB. So angle AEB, the first triangle, I am focusing on the first triangle. Out of this, only this side was not, it was missing, it is not given. The other two sides are given as 75 and 40. 75 and 40 is given. So what I did, I marked this angle as y once again. So now what will happen? Yeah, if you see the law of the triangle, properties of the triangle, if I add 75 plus 40 plus y, these three triangles, I am going to get 180 degree. So I do it, 75 plus 40 plus y equals to 180. Then what I do, I add 75 and 40, that is 115 plus y equals to 180. The next line, the plus 115 travels to the other side and only this y is kept this side. So 180 minus 115 is 65. Yes, dear students, you got this portion as 65. But if you see, if this is 65, this is also 65, because in your previous chapter you have already done, there is a chapter called vertically opposite angle. So here also, now if this portion is over, now this 65 degree has helped me to find out this 65. So that means if this is 65, so this is also, this angle is also 65. So now come to there. So this is my 65, this is my 95, and this is the only unknown angle. So what I do, I add this y and this angle, I had considered it as z, I had taken it as z, and z and y are vertically opposite. So that means if y is 65, z is also automatically 65. Now what I did, I added z plus x plus 95. Z plus x plus 95, where there is a triangle, and I get 180 degree. The value of z is given as 65. Value of 95 was already given, and x, I have to find it out. I keep x as x equals to 180. Now 65 plus 95 is 160, and plus x is given. So now this plus 160 again travels to the other side of the equation and becomes minus 160. So 180 minus 160 is 20 degree. So this x is this unknown term. This term is 20 degree. Okay, so this is how you have to do this chapter. There are some more questions in your book which has got more diagrams. Try at least to solve at least two more questions, the next two diagrams yourself. Definitely a solved PDF will be sent it to you. Okay, till then, thank you so much.